Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here and with again a new chapter, chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is From Gathering to Growing Food. So in this chapter you will read about varieties of foods that are available today and how did farmers how did they start farming and herding, and then what does mean by domestication, and then again how to grow plants, and how did hunter and gatherers they grow plants, and how did they store, and then how did they rear animals, and then who were the first farmers and herders, and the sites मीन्स प्लेसेज जो जहाँ पे प्रूफ मिला कि ये ग्रेन्स पाए गए. इट इज़ अबाउट दैट ऑन पेज नंबर 25, and grain and bones of the animals and grains. So this is list here, and then next how did they started their settled life, and again here to store food they used this pot, and about the tribes, kind of tribes, and here means villagers, they would live in group. And then again you will know about Mehergarh. Mehergarh was also a site that was found. इस जगह पे किस तरह से लोग रहते थे और कैसे वो लोग ऑक्यूपेशंस क्या थे उनके, और कैसे वो डेड बॉडीज़ को बरी करते थे. हाउ डिड दे बरी दियर डेड बॉडीज़, मीन्स डेड बॉडीज़ ऑफ दियर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. And in the last you will come to know about the Jolly heading, and about this place that is in the world, and you will also come to know about this jadeite, a stone, and in the last you will come to know about Turkey. So I will start here from the first page here. Okay, now here is one girl, Nainu, and she is talking about her lunch. तो अपने लंच में वो क्या खाती है, और फिर शी इज़ थिंकिंग, वो सोच भी रही है कि कैसे ये सब उगाया जाता है. कम नाउ लेट्स रीड. Nainu was eating her favorite food, boiled rice, स्क्वैश एक वेजिटेबल होती है, एंड पम्पकिन्स एंड बीन्स एंड मीट. सो उसको क्या पसंद था? स्क्वैश यानी सब्जियां पसंद थी, एक काइंड ऑफ वेजिटेबल. एंड पम्पकिन, आप जानते ही हो पम्पकिन कैसे होता है, जस्ट लाइक दिस, एंड लाइक वाटरमेलन, राउंड शेप्ड. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं कद्दू. So beans means beans भी you know very well, beans and meat. तो उसका फेवरेट फूड है ये सब. एंड हर ग्रैंड मदर हैड ग्रोन द स्क्वैश, उसकी ग्रैंड मदर ने स्क्वैश भी उगा रखी है, पम्पकिन एंड बीन्स इन द लिटिल गार्डन प्लॉट एट द बैक ऑफ हर हाउस. शी रिमेम्बर्ड द फूड. सो दिस गर्ल Nainu has also remembered the food she had been when she was in Madhya Pradesh on a school trip. तो उसने वहाँ पे हॉट एंड स्पाइसी खाना खाया था. अब वो सोच रही थी कि कितना डिफरेंस है कि हियर शी इज़ ईटिंग दीज वेजिटेबल्स एंड इंक्लूडिंग मीट, और मध्य प्रदेश में ऑन स्कूल ट्रिप शी हैड ईटन स्पाइसी एंड हॉट डिशेज. Let's read this. Varieties of foods. So today most of our foods such as fruit, vegetable, grain, milk and meat comes from plants that are grown and animals that are reared. So students, we know very well कि जो भी चीज़ें हम खाते हैं, whatever we eat, that comes from plants. अगर हम फ्रूट्स खाते हैं so we get fruits from plants. If we eat vegetables, grain, it also come from plants, and milk that comes from cow, buffaloes, goats. So these are sources of our food. So different plants grow in different conditions. ये आप जानते हो अच्छी तरह से, because they are needed their condition. As rice for example requires more water. राइस जो होता है इसको बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. सो इट इज़ ग्रोन इन द मंथ ऑफ जून, जुलाई मोस्टली जुलाई. एंड wheat and barley, they don't need much water, more water in compare of rice. So this explains why farmers grow some crops in some areas and not in other areas. So जहाँ पे water available है वहाँ पर they just grow rice, and where water is not available they just grow wheat, barley and other crops also. So different animals too prefer different environments. For instance, sheep and goat can survive more easily than cattle in dry. So जहाँ पे water is not available easily, so in that areas sheep and goat they can survive. But as you saw in chapter 2, but other animals that are cows and buffaloes, they because they drink a lot water in compare of goat and sheep, so they are needed to survive in the area where water is available. So in chapter 2 आपने पढ़ा था कि women and men they did not always produce their own food. Maybe sometime women, maybe sometime men. So it is about that. Now how did farming start? And how did herding start? हर्डिंग का मतलब होता है जानवरों को पालना और उनको शुरुआत करना, उनको रियरिंग करना, उनको टेमिंग करना, उनको पालना. So let's read. We have seen in chapter 2 that the climate of the world was changing and it was becoming warm, and so were plants and animals that people used as food. So due to change of climate, because it became warm, so many plants they started growing and many animals they also started to appear there. Men, women and children probably observed several things, because I told in my previous video in chapter 2, men and women and children they just gathered food, as title is here, from gathering to growing food. Gathering means to collect. From collecting food from plants, from trees. How did earliest people they start growing food? कैसे उन्होंने फूड को यानी प्लांट्स को उगाना शुरू किया? So we will read about that. So men and women and children they observed several things. वो observe करते थे. The places where edible plants are those plants which can be eaten. So means where edible plants were found, they observed those places. And how seeds broke off stalks, because we know very well seeds are compulsory to be broke off to become a plant. जब एक बीज गिरता है और उसको वाटर मिलता है, सनलाइट मिलती है, एयर मिलता है, in that case it becomes a plant. So children, men, women, they were observing the places, also those plants who just become plants also, and the seeds means how did those seeds they become they just changed, they would change into a plant who were on the ground. So जो ground पे गिर जाते थे कैसे वो plant बन जाते थे, and new plants sprouted from them. So seeds when they fell down on the ground they become plant, they were sprouted, and then the plant then would come out. Perhaps they began looking after plants, protecting them. So when they saw seeds and then plants, so they started protecting those plants from birds and animals. उन plants को उन लोगों ने क्या किया, protect करना start किया from birds and animals. so that they could grow and the seeds could ripen, ताकि वो plants बड़े हो सकते थे और seeds जो हैं पक जाते. Because we know if we want rice we have to wait for its ripen, तो हमें पकने का wait करना होता है. So in this way they were observing all the processes. In this way people became farmers. इस तरह से वो farmer बन गए. Means they come to know how could they plant plants. कैसे वो planting कर सकते थे, उन्होंने observe किया and they started. Now how did they started rearing animals? Women, men and children could also attract and then tame animals by leaving food for them near their shelters. So if we provide food that is left with us to the animals, then obviously these animals like dogs and cats, they obviously they come to us to take that food. So the earliest people they just left food for those animals. So all the animals who were there at that time, they started coming to them. The first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestor of the dog. So जो पहला animal इन लोगों ने पाला था, it was the ancestor of the dog, like dog. And later people encouraged animals that were relatively gentle to come near the camps where they lived, as goat, as sheep, cattle में cow, buffalo. So they started coming to the group of people who would live together. तो जो ग्रुप में रहते थे उनके पास ये जो sheep, goat, cattle, they started coming to eat something that was left. So here often people protected these animals from attacks by other wild animals. So जो लोग थे, people, they started also protecting these animals like sheep, goats and cattle from the animals who could attack them as wild animals. This is how they became herders. In this way they started herding the animals. They started herding, they started protecting animals and they started rearing animals. Now come for domestication. Domestication means to grow plants and to look after animals. Both the processes are under domestication. Very often plants and animals that are tended means they were taken care by people became different from wild plants and animals, because we know very well that plants that are eatable, that are edible, they are different from wild plants, and animals who are tamed, they are different from wild animals. जो प्लांट्स हम खाते हैं वो प्लांट्स जंगली पेड़ पौधों के कंपेयर में अलग होते हैं, और जो जानवर जंगली जानवर होते हैं वो घरेलू जानवरों से भी अलग होते हैं. सो देयर आर डिफरेंसेज, because wild animals cannot be reared, wild animals cannot be tamed, but cattle, sheep and goats, they can be reared in this way. So this is because people select plants and animals for domestication. इसलिए लोगों ने domestication start किया कि जिनको वो which they could grow, they started growing plants, and which they could rear, they started rearing. So this process is known as domestication. For example, they select those plants and animals that are not prone to disease. Means they selected those plants and those animals which could not be which were not harmful to them, जो उनके लिए हार्मफुल नहीं थे, उनको उन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया. सो दे ऑल्सो सेलेक्ट प्लांट्स दैट यील्ड लार्ज. उन लोगों ने ऐसे भी ग्रेन को सेलेक्ट किया, ऐसे भी प्लांट को सेलेक्ट किया जो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रेन पैदा करते थे, एंड हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टाक्स capable of bearing the weight of the ripe grain, and the plants that could bear the weight of the ripe grain. So seeds from selected plants are preserved and sown to ensure that new plants will have the same qualities. So they came to know that seeds are just like the same as from which plants they have been taken. So जिस प्लांट का जो सीड होगा उसकी क्वालिटी भी उसी प्लांट की होगी. So these all things are earliest people they came to know. Now amongst animals, those that are relatively gentle are selected for breeding. So animals who were gentle as cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, so इन लोगों ने पालना शुरू किया because they were not wild animals, they were according to tame. As a result, gradually domesticated animals and plants become different from wild animals and plants because wild animals cannot be tamed and wild plants cannot be grown because these two things, wild animals and wild plants, they are harmful for human beings. क्योंकि वाइल्ड एनिमल को अगर कोई पालेगा तो वो उनको ही डेंजर, दे कैन बी डेंजरस फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो देयर आर डिफरेंसेज बिटवीन डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स एंड वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स. यहाँ पे अंतर है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल द टीथ एंड हॉर्न्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स आर यूजुअली मच लार्जर देन दोज ऑफ डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स. यस, जिन जानवरों को पाला जाता है उनके कंपेयर में वाइल्ड एनिमल के जो टीथ होते हैं, जैसे जस्ट एज लॉयंस टीथ, टाइगर्स टीथ, दे आर शार्प एंड पॉइंटेड एंड दे आर वेरी डेंजरस. सो वी कांट टेम देम. So these type of differences are there between rearing animals and between wild animals and rearing animals. So domestication was a gradual process that took place in many parts of the world. It began about 12,000 years ago. Virtually all the plants and animals produced that we use as food today is a result of domestication. Whatever we eat whatever we get from plants, this is the result of domestication. Some of the earliest plants to be domesticated were wheat and barley. So जो पहले प्लांट को domesticate किया गया था, that were wheat and barley. The earliest domesticated animals include sheep and goat, and the animals to whom which animal means sheep and goat were animals to whom earliest people they had domesticated. Okay students, this is all about this. About start of farming and herding and domestication. I will continue in my next video so that you can understand well. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.